Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Juke cabin air filter. This simple do-it-yourself task can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle and optimize your heating and cooling system's performance. You can save money by doing this yourself, as dealers often charge $90 or more for this quick service. It's recommended to replace your cabin air filter at least once every 12 months or every 20,000 miles for best results. To begin, the cabin air filter in your Nissan Juke is conveniently located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. For most models, you'll only need a standard Phillips head screwdriver. First, open the glove box and remove the 3 Phillips screws along its top edge. Then, close the glove box and remove the 4 Phillips screws located along its lower edge. Some models might have additional screws inside the glove box, so check carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire glove box assembly away from the dashboard. It's usually held by 2 plastic clips. You might need to disconnect a small wiring connector for better access. Now, locate the black filter cover, which is often close to the forward bulkhead. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to carefully release its latch. Squeeze the old filter to remove it, noting the airflow arrow. Insert the new filter, making sure its arrow points in the same direction, typically towards the back of the car. After installing the new filter, replace the filter cover, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Reconnect any wiring you disconnected earlier, then reattach the glove box assembly, securing it with all the Phillips head screws. With your new cabin air filter, you'll immediately notice benefits like cleaner air, a significant reduction in allergens, and fewer unpleasant odors. Plus, your heating and cooling system will operate more efficiently, providing optimal comfort inside your Nissan Juke.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.